So I'm going to clean this car seat. I'm going to start with vinegar in a bottle here, just because it's got mould on it. I'm going to try and get the mould off. Get some vinegar into it first, and I'll clean it properly later. All right, so I'm just spraying vinegar, trying to get to the worst parts of the mould. I'll be washing this soon anyway, so I'm going to fairly soak it. So now, just going to spray some hot soapy water over the entire seat, and then I'm going to give it a go with a drill with a brush on the end and see how that does the job. Yeah, really get it wet now, it's soaked. The seat is well and truly soaked. I'm going to give it a crack with the drill. Right, I've got one of these Vax spot washers, and I've got a bit of warm water and the concentrate that came with it, the carpet cleaning concentrate. So I'm just going to go over this with the brush and see what it's like. But the vinegar and then the hot soapy water has already done a good job. So we'll see what this adds to it. Hoover it off as much as I can. It's still very, very wet, so I'm just going to wipe it down with some microfiber towels. I can see I'm still getting off loads of moisture off of it. Then I'm going to take it inside to let it dry out under the front of a fire or central heating. Leave it inside for a few days to dry out.